Hi, I am Jess with Jess K Crystals, and today I wanted to talk to you about citrine, which is a little bit of a controversial subject. So, in reality, citrine is truly amethyst that has stayed in the earth longer and reached higher temperatures and has more iron content. And so, naturally, in the earth, citrine was originally amethyst before it was developed through heat and more iron content. And so what people have done is they have tried to recreate that process, but with amethyst, because there really isn't as much natural citrine as there is amethyst, but the demand for citrine has caused people to try and recreate that process. But the difference is that while we can heat that amethyst to a higher temperature so that it changes color, it still doesn't have that iron, the added iron content that citrine would naturally have. So what you're seeing in most retail environments is citrine that is heat-treated amethyst that has been done by humans, people, and not inside of the earth, like when it's a natural situation. And so what that means is that the citrine that you're finding in retail environments is being called citrine. It's still technically a base of quartz, and it still has its own unique properties. It just is different than citrine, natural citrine that has been developed naturally in the earth still. And so I am wearing a citrine. This is a darker citrine. It's got probably some smoky quartz in there too, but you can see how dark, you can kind of see the yellow and brown colorways. So natural citrine is more in the yellow to brown champagne colorways. This is a natural citrine. And as you can see, it's kind of a yellow-brown color. Natural citrine, yellow-brown color. Natural citrine, yellow-brown color. It's different than smoky quartz. So this, for example, would be smoky quartz. And I know it's hard to differentiate in this lighting, but you can see the yellow in this natural citrine. And so what you're finding in retail environments often looks like this, or even this. Sorry. So sometimes it's that kind of washed out yellow. So this would have been a really light amethyst / clear quartz that was heat treated until it changed to yellow. So you can see the difference here in how yellow and orange these citrine are, because this is what has been essentially baked. And so when it's baked, it takes that orange color, and the process of heating it to a higher temperature changes it to that yellowy orange color. But again, it's missing the iron content that would have occurred if it was a natural citrine and that process had happened naturally. So again, you can kind of see some differences here of what most citrine is being sold as. Versus a natural citrine, and it's quite a bit different, as you can see. So I hope that is helpful in helping you differentiate one citrine, natural citrine, versus heat-treated citrine. And again, there's nothing wrong with the heat-treated, it's just different properties, different processes. Yes, it's been done after the fact, but it's still a quartz. It still holds its own energetic properties, and so you might work with one versus the other depending on which one you're drawn to. I hope that clears up any questions you might have about citrine, and if you have more, then drop them down below.